Hey guys, it's Tatsuya. Today, let's look at instant noodles, which many people love around the world. Many of our viewers have probably eaten instant ramen at least once. It is a very convenient and tasty noodle that can be prepared in just 3 minutes by pouring boiled water. Besides, instant ramen is very cheap. In Japan, you can buy it for about 200 yen. Although I can't eat it every day because of its unbalanced nutrition, I can rely on it on busy days or days when I don't have enough money. It is also a very convenient food in times of disaster because it can be made anywhere with hot water and stored. A few days before I posted this video, an earthquake of magnitude 7.3 on the Richter scale hit Fukushima, Japan, reminding many of us of the Great East Japan earthquake. At that time too, many cup noodles were delivered to the affected areas. It seems that instant noodles are also playing an active role in this pandemic. The online store of Wal-Mart, one of the largest supermarkets in the US, has reported a 6-fold increase in instant ramen sales due to COVID-19. In this video, let's talk about the history of instant ramen and cup ramen. Instant ramen was developed by Momofuku Ando, the founder of Nissin Foods, and was launched in 1958. He was inspired to create ramen noodles that could be easily prepared at home by remembering how people used to line up at ramen stores in the black market, shivering under the cold weather soon after the war. Later, Ando also developed cup ramen that could be eaten as long as there was hot water. However, unlike instant ramen, cup ramen was not designed for the Japanese. It was a product that was developed to sell instant ramen to the world. Ando experienced the impetus for cup ramen development when he went to the United States to sell bagged chicken ramen. When he went to the US to sell chicken ramen in bags, he offered the instant ramen to the buyers at the supermarket to try, but there were no chopsticks or rice bowls near at hand. They broke the chicken ramen into small pieces, put it in a paper cup, poured hot water into it, and started eating with a fork. When Ando saw this, he was surprised to see how different the eating habits were in other countries. Naturally, many countries in the world do not have the custom of eating with chopsticks or a bowl of rice. He decided to develop an instant ramen that could be eaten with a cup and a fork. From this experience, the development of the cup ramen began with the production of the cup. The cup had to be large enough to be held in one hand, light and robust, and have high insulation. The paper cups could not meet these requirements, and the smell of the paper would stick to the ramen. Therefore, the company started manufacturing its own containers and created cups made of styrofoam, which was still rare in Japan. Besides, they needed to be creative with the noodles they put inside. If the noodles were just the right size to fit in the cup, they would break due to vibration during transportation. The solution was to make the noodles larger than the cup's size and fix them in the middle of the cup. Thus, in 1971, the world's first cup noodle was launched. The product was called noodle instead of ramen to emphasize that it was a new food. The cup ramen was first sold in Japan, but sales were slow. However, the following year, the Asama Sanso hostage crisis had an unexpected publicity effect, and the situation changed drastically. The incident was broadcasted on TV every day, and people all over Japan watched with bated breath. It also showed the riot police silently sipping cup noodles in the bitter cold with white steam rising from their mouth. With this, cup noodle became the focus of attention, and orders poured in. Today, cup noodles sold in foreign countries are gradually changing their shape according to their country's culture. While Japanese cup noodles are designated to be eaten with chopsticks, in North America and Europe, they are intended to be eaten with a fork, and the noodles are made shorter. It also seems that different countries have different tastes. It would be interesting to compare cup noodles from around the world. That's all for this video today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.